My goodness, what a difference 6 weeks makes. It's like a metamorphosis. I mean, suddenly there's thousands of RVers here compared to 6 weeks ago. There was hardly anybody. Now let's take a look at the LTVAs. This is what boondocking looks like. I mean, totally off-grid in every way possible. You know, when I first rolled in the Quartzsite about 6 weeks ago, these LTVA areas were almost wide open. And it was hot, too. You could pick any spot you wanted and never have a neighbor in sight if that's what you wanted. But this is Quartzsite. And once December hits, the migration begins. Snowbirds like what I am, full-timers, which I am, weekend campers, everybody starts rolling in for the season. What you're looking at from the air right now is just a snapshot of how quickly this place fills up. And what you're looking at right now is how people are camping. These long-term visitor areas are some of the most affordable ways to winter in the desert. One fee covers your camping, it covers your dump stations, it covers your water and your trash. You get big, wide open spaces, and guess what? They're all pull-throughs, just about it. You get friendly neighbors and some of the best sunsets you will ever see. So the reason I make this video, if you're thinking of coming out here, arrive early, pick your spot, but don't get here too early. Don't get here until almost November. It's just too hot. At least that's my opinion. Pick your spot and settle in. Quartzsite fills up fast. And the fact is, this is an absolute fact. It's extremely unique. There is no place on this planet like Quartzsite, and that is a fact. There's no place quite like it anywhere. In a previous video, I said that I was going to interview people out here in the tents and in various campers. Well, I'm going to have to walk that back. I got to thinking about that. And if somebody wants to volunteer, that's different. I'm not going to be going up to people and bothering them, making judgments about them. Let bygones be bygones, you know, leave people alone. They're out here for their privacy in the first place, you know, to get away from it all. And here this guy comes up, me, interfere with their privacy. I just don't want to bother people like that. So I wish I'd given that a little more thought before I made that statement. So I apologize to you. I'm not going to be doing that. You can see it really picked up from 6 weeks ago. I just wanted to show you this video just to let you know how this place does metamorphosize. This is a first part of December. It'll even get more people here. Even more people will come here And certainly when we get into January, I promise you it will be packed. But I do believe we can say, with all honesty, the Quartzsite Arizona camping season is on. 2025 on into 2026. We'll take a look at this and deep into January and see where everything is in 2026. So I want to thank you very much for being here. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time right here on Freedom Road.